Obedient and following instructions and always listening to her teachers. This student is the most submissive to authority, and so she is given the most needed award. The most helpful award goes to Junior Miranda for being so helpful and always ready to help. If he sees you carrying a table or a chair, he always lends a hand. He's ready to give a part of himself whenever you need it. The most confident award goes to Ken Ivan Palma for never being shy. You have great to express all his ideas in class. He stands up and speaks to a crowd without any fear. Last but definitely not least, the Vice Lord Award. We give this to John Kobe Kubo for being so skillful with his movements and able to handle objects skillfully. He may be a surgeon, an athlete, or a choreographer, or even a firefighter someday. And as for Joel George Medina, he's given the most outstanding student award because he excels in more than one area and has demonstrated excellence in three or more subjects. He's very good in language, math, and science. He may become a scientist, a doctor, or an engineer someday. The most outstanding award for Joel George. Thank you.
Next, we will give the awards for the nursery. May I again request the parents to please accompany their children as their names are called.
The most helpful award goes to Rami Polarion, III. He's always ready to help. If he sees you carrying a chair or table, he always lends a hand. He always let me help you. Most generous award goes to Chris Bentinganan, a student who will always give or share food and tray to his classmates. The most friendly award goes to Limmer James, a student who is very friendly to everyone in school. He makes friends easy and wants to be friend to all. The most gorgeous award goes to Shanice Angel De Leon, a student Jonathan David Campuñon, who is most of the time happy and enjoys school. He even enjoys doing sleep work and assignments. The most brilliant award goes to Alessandra Erlene Nansar, a student who is indeed very brilliant. She follows instruction and always listens to the teachers. Most caring award goes to Garel Bentinganan, a student who shows care to her classmate The most industrious award goes to Jared Painanga, a student who is very diligent in schoolwork and putting things away in their proper places. Logic Smart Award goes to Nedge John Romea, a student who is very good in logic and numbers. He might be a scientist or accountant someday. Picture Smart Award goes to Janica Trece Bailon, who has the capacity to think in pictures or image. She is able to follow directions best and able to draw accurately. She might be an artist, a designer, or a cinematography someday. Music Smart Award goes to Shaila Felicidario. This goes a student who appreciates rhythm and melodies. She loves to dance in all tunes she plays in school, and she might be a musical performer, composer, or a conductor someday. Body Smart Award goes to Carl Benedict Mamar, who is able to control his movements and able to handle objects skillfully. He might be an athlete or a surgeon someday.
Montessori, giving the award for nursery.
Most helpful award goes to the student who is always ready to help. If she sees you carrying a chair or a table, she always lends a hand. She always says, "Let me help you." This award goes to Armory Vista. Award. This award goes to the student who always gives or shares his food and trays to his classmates. This award goes to Jeremy B. Portissima. This award goes to Jose Kurt Uriel B. Alusaga. Most Courteous Award. This award goes to the student who never fails to greet his teachers and classmates a good morning or with a hello. This award is given to Kirby John B. Sim. Most Joyful Award. This award goes to the student who is most of the time happy and enjoys school. He even enjoys doing his works and assignments. For him, learning is truly fun. This award goes to Lawrence Miguel O. Vilonio. Most Obedient Award. This award goes to the student who is indeed very obedient. She follows instructions and always listens to the teachers. The Most Obedient Award goes to John Lee and Vista. Most Caring Award. This award goes to the student who shows care to her classmates. She sets an example to others. This award goes to Rachel G. Dianon. Most Industrious Award. This award goes to the student who is very diligent in schoolwork and in putting things away in their proper places. This award goes to Angelo A. Oliveres. Logic Smart Award. This goes to the student who is very good in logic and numbers. He might be a scientist, an accountant, or economist someday. This award goes to Joshua D. Tidero. Picture Smart Award. This goes to the student who has the capacity designer or cinematographer someday. This award goes to Kate Kathleen Custodio. Music Smart Award. This goes to the student who appreciates rhythm and melodies. She loves to sing and dance to all the tunes we play in school. She might be a musical performer, a composer, or a choir conductor someday. This award goes to Karil Joy Conde. Body Smart Award. This goes to the student who is able to control his movements and able to handle objects skillfully. He might be an athlete, a surgeon, or choreographer someday. This award goes to Gino Jose Roca. Person Smart Award. This award goes to the student who can work with others and know how to respond to the moods of others. He might be a counselor, a political leader, or a nurse someday. This award goes to Jory